Tucked away in a Somerset valley near Bath, St. Catherine's Court stands as a masterclass in historic longevity and layered architectural design. Approached via a winding gravel drive past a 12th century church and an ancient teeth barn, this Grade 1 listed manor immediately establishes its dramatic, elevated presence. Visitors enter through what was once a chapel doorway, embarking on a journey through a puzzle of corridors and staircases. Throughout the interior, historic craftsmanship is on full display. Ornate plasterwork ceilings, stone-mullioned leaded light windows, coffered ceilings, and massive stone fireplaces that command attention. Living here offers an enviable lifestyle that balances historic charm with grand-scale entertaining. It is an idiosyncratic family home where you can host a lavish, sprawling banquet on the lawns or simply enjoy a quiet evening by a roaring hearth, letting the centuries of history settle around you. The architecture extends gracefully into the outdoors. The legendary garden designer Gertrude Jekyll was famously captivated by St. Catherine's Court, praising its broad terraces, simple yet dramatic stone stairways, and the judicious layout of foliage. For those who appreciate historic integrity, exceptional craftsmanship, and the occasional challenge of navigating a beautiful historic maze, St. Catherine's Court remains an enchanting testament to classic English country living.